Welcome to Supermind Foundation. This is Amrish Shah, brain plastician, certified brain health practitioner, certified by Dr. Sarah McKay, who's an Oxford neuroscientist. So today I'm going to talk about our brain reserves. When we create brain health regime in our lives with good exercise, regular exercise, sleep, good amount of sleep, good quality of sleep, the right nutrition with supplements, a very healthy social connect. So even if it means physical distancing, but good social connect with all the technology that is available to us, good challenges for the brain, meaning learning, music, reading, different kinds of knowledge, acquiring different skill sets, and many other things that come to challenge our brain and create new neural pathways. When we practice these brain healthy habits as a lifestyle for 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, many years, we are creating brain reserves, cognitive reserves, immunity reserves for our future. So when we age, when our cognitive decline starts, which usually happens around the late 30s, early 40s, when we arrive at that age, we are already having enough of reserves to take on challenges. In between, if there are pandemics, there are crises, financial, health, family, we are always geared to handle it correctly, accurately, and sail through it successfully. This is what brain health is all about. This is what building your immunity is all about, which we realize today in this healthcare era, how important it is to have the right fortress in terms of the mental health and the physical health, along with the immunity to fight the pandemic. Today, when I hear stories about the coronavirus online through friends who've actually witnessed somebody having a coronavirus ailment in their family or themselves, what they've usually shared is how their mental resilience starts breaking down, how fear, paranoia, anxiety takes over, and how that kind of affects them. And then, of course, with a lot of positivity from their family, friends, doctors, well-wishers, health professionals, they not just fight the pandemic, not just fight the virus physically, but mentally they kind of rebuild their fortress. And this becomes a little difficult at times, especially when age is not on your side. So most importantly, invest in your brain health, invest in your immunity reserves, invest in your resilience. When we do that, we are future ready, we are present safe, present protected. This is Amrish Shah at Supermind Foundation. Our mantra is your thoughts, your superpower. If you have any questions, any applications that you need, please contact me at supermindworld@gmail.com. I repeat, supermindworld@gmail.com, or my website www.supermind.world. I repeat, www.supermind.world. Stay safe, stay protected, stay kind, and stay happy. Cheers.